In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy options on TradeStation. So even if you don't have direct access to the platform right now, I'll walk you through the general process based on how most trading platforms operate. So whether you're new to options trading or just getting started with TradeStation, this guide will help you understand the steps. So listen carefully as I explain each steps. So make sure you have a verified TradeStation account, and then you'll need to provide identification for verification before accessing options trading. And make sure you deposit funds into your account via bank transfer, wire transfer, or ACH. Now, to enable options trading, assumingly we have an access to the trading or TradeStation account in here. So go to account settings and apply for options trading approval, and then select your trading levels. So these levels is vary based on experience and risk tolerance. And TradeStation may ask about your investment knowledge, experience, and risk tolerance before approving options tradings. Now, to access the options trading platform, so TradeStation offers an options chains and strategy builders. So once approved, navigate to TradeStation options trading section and then use the options chain to view available contracts. And after that, search for the stock or asset you want to trade options on, and then open the options chains, and then where you'll see there the strike prices, expiration dates, and the call options and the put options. Now, for the strike prices, this means the price at which you can buy or sell. And then for the expiration dates, this means when the contract expires. And you will see there also the call options. This means betting the price will go up. And then lastly, the put options, which means betting the price will go down. After that, click on the option you want to trade. Now, to place an option trade, just simply click the buy to open. So if you're purchasing an options contract, you'll need to enter the number of contracts. For example, one contract is equals to 100 shares. And you'll need to input the limit or market order and the order type. After that, review and confirm your order, and that's it. That's how you buy options on TradeStation. So even though I didn't have direct access to the platform, this method follows the standard process for most trading platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.